Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to make trains. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make trains. It's called blending. Now every word that you have is a train. So you say the first sound and then you go to the last sound and then you join it together like a train. Don't leave or break the train. Because if you break the train, then the train will cry. You say, oh my goodness, you left me out. Okay, so no leaving it out. Eater, it. Eater, it. It is a sunny day today. Eater, it. Now we have a three-letter train. Are you ready for the three-letter train? Sir, eater, sit. Sir, eater, sit. I can't say just see. I have to say the last sound. Otherwise the train will break and the train will cry. Sir, eater, sit. Sir, eater, sit. Could you please sit on that lovely green chair? Per, eater, pit. Per, eater, pit. Now there's an elephant and he's fallen into a big pit. And now we have to rescue him or get him out or he can die there. Spur, spur. Spur, spur. Spur, eater, spit. Please don't spit. This is spit. We can't spit everywhere. It's such a bad habit. So please tell someone not to spit on the ground or spit everywhere. Spur, eater, spit. Spur, eater, spit. I start with the first sound and I go to my last sound. Eater, sir, it's. Eater, sir, it's. It's a lovely day today. It's a beautiful day today. Ina, in. Ina, in. Oh my, there's a cat hiding in the box. Cat is hiding down in his box until someone opens the lid. 1, 2, 3. I'm opening the lid. Meow, meow. Ina, in. Ina, in. Per, eaten, pin. Per, eaten, pin. Ouch, ouch. I have to be careful when I'm working with pins because it's got a very sharp, pointy end and it can really make me bleed. It can prick me and it can make me bleed. Per, eaten, pin. Per, eaten, pin. Sir, eaten, sin. Sir, eaten, sin. Now, sin is when you do something bad. Like you can kill somebody with a knife and that's a sin. Spur, spur. Spur, spur. Spur, eaten, spin. Spur, eaten, spin. Spin around, circle, 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 this way, that way. Spur, eaten, spin. Ter, eaten, tin. Ter, eaten, tin. And that's a tin. This Coke is in a tin. I can drink it from a can or a tin. Both are correct. Stir, stir. Stir, stir. Eaten, int. Eaten, int. Stir, eaten, stint. Stir, eaten, stint. I don't want to stint. But sometimes when I have something that is really precious to me, like this yummy Belgian chocolate, then I stint. I don't eat it all at once because I know I can't get it again. Then I use it very little by little by little. So that is stint. You don't just throw it away. Okay? Stir, eaten, stint. Anna, an. Anna, an. I can see an apple and the apple is red. Anna, pan. Pan, and that's a pan. and I'm cooking some chicken in my pan. Pan, pan, ant, ant. Whenever I say I have to open my mouth like this. Ant, 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 ant. Ants are crawling up my arm. Ants are crawling up my arm. Ants are crawling up my arm. They make me feel alarm. Alarm means, oh my God. Alarm. Ants are crawling up my arm. Super, spur. Super, spur. Super, and span. Super, and span. A span of time. A long period of time. Span. Tan, tan, tan. Now, if I sit out in the sun, then I get tanned. Pant, pant, pant. Miss Shirley, that's me. I always wear pants because it's more convenient than a skirt. Pant, pant, at. Look at my mouth going at. Everybody look at that beautiful house. Sat. He sat on a lovely blue chair. Pat, and that's a man, and he's patting the dog. He's saying, hello dog, how are you? Are you good? Super, spur. Super, spur. Super, spat. Super, spat. And that's a naughty girl. She spat. Spat, spit and spat. After you spit, you say spat. She spat on the ground. That's very, very naughty. Sap, sap. And that's a plant. And then I cut it, and then there's a juice that comes out. And that's called sap. Sap. Snur. Snap. And that's a crocodile. And he's very quick. In a second, he'll go snap. And he can eat you. And he's got very sharp teeth. And he'll grip you, and he won't let you go. Snap. Tap. Open the tap and wash your hands. Nap. I'm having a nap. I'm going to sleep for a while. I'm napping for a while. Pip. And those are little pips. Can you see? Little pips. White seeds are called pips. Snur. Snip. Snip. And the scissor goes snip, cut. And that's what a hairdresser does to your hair. She goes snip. Sip. I'm sipping some water because it's really hot. I can't drink it fast, so I sip it slowly, little by little. Pip. Nip. And then I want to cut my hair only a little bit, so I nip it. I don't cut a lot of it, just a little bit. Nip at the bud. Just a little nip. Are you ready to read with me? I'm sure you know how to blend and make lots of trains. I love making trains. Every day I read from the first sound to the last sound, and I make so many trains, over 10,000 trains, because I read so much. Okay, are you ready now? It. Don't forget the last sound. It. Sit. Pit. spit, spit. Wow, you're so good at making trains. First sound, last sound. It's, it's. I'm so proud of you. In, in. Pin, pin. Don't forget the last sound. Sin, sin. Spin, spin. Tin, tin. Stint, stint. An, pan, pan. Ant, ant. Span, span. Tan, tan. Pant, pant. At, sat, sat. Look at my mouth going ah. Pat, pat. Spat, spat. Sap, sap. Snap, snap. Tap, tap. Nap, nap. Pip, pip. Snip, snip. Sip, sip. Pip, pip. Nip, nip. Thank you for watching, and you did a great job. See you next time. Bye.